If Microsoft Edge has been running slow, freezing, or just feeling heavier than usual, there's a simple setting that can help you spot what's causing the problem. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow Edge performance using Performance Detector, step by step. This is a quick and easy adjustment that can help Edge identify performance issues and give you a better browsing experience. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main Settings menu. From here, click Settings. This is where all of Edge's browser controls and preferences are stored. Inside Settings, look over to the left-hand menu and click System and Performance. This section contains options that affect how Edge runs in the background, how it handles resources, and how it manages speed-related features. Now on the right side, find the Performance section. This is where you'll see performance-related tools designed to help the browser run more efficiently. One of the options here is Enable Performance Detector. Simply toggle this setting on. Once it's enabled, Edge can begin detecting performance problems and help you identify what might be slowing things down. Depending on your system, this can be especially useful if you have lots of tabs open, extensions running, or if your browser has been sluggish lately. After turning it on, you can go back to browsing as normal. If Edge was slow because of memory usage, background activity, or other browser performance issues, this setting can help you stay on top of it. If you want the best results, it's also a good idea to close unused tabs, disable extensions you don't need, and keep Edge updated to the latest version. Those small steps can work alongside Performance Detector to make the browser feel much faster. So to recap, go to Settings, open System and Performance, then Performance, and turn on Enable Performance Detector. That's all it takes to get started. If this video helped you fix slow Edge performance, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.